Welcome to Max channel. We will see coordinate geometry exercise problem number 9. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 in 4 equal parts. Okay. So here question is given that here AB is the one line segment here. So A is the one of the point and B is the another point whose line segment the coordinate is minus 2 comma 2. Here coordinate is 2 comma 8. Okay. So it is divides 4 equal parts. So I am taking here, this is first point, this point to this point, that name it is nothing but P. Next point is nothing but here I am taking Q. So this is equal parts and here I am taking here R. Okay. So here AP, PQ, QR, RB. So all are equal parts. So AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. Everything should be equal parts. So what we have understand here, this point, okay, Q point. Q point is definitely midpoint of A and B. Okay, so Q is the midpoint of A and B. What is the midpoint formula? Midpoint formula is nothing that here. Okay, midpoint formula is equal to, that is x comma y equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here we know that here Q is the midpoint of AB. So what you have to understand here, what is the A coordinate here? A coordinate is minus 2 comma 2. B coordinate is nothing but 2 comma 8. So now we can calculate the coordinates of, okay, coordinate of Q, that is equal to x1. Here this one x1, here y1, here x2, this one y2. So here minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2 using midpoint formula, 2 plus 8 divided by 2. So your answer is 0 comma 5. So Q coordinate is nothing but 0 comma 5. Now come to the diagram here. Once again here we have calculated this one 0 comma 5. So here we know that everything should be in equal parts. So P is nothing but midpoint of A and Q. So we can use your midpoint formula. We can find the coordinate of P. Similarly, R is the midpoint of Q and B. Using midpoint formula, we can find the R coordinates. Okay. So here we have now P is the midpoint of AQ. What is A coordinates here? Minus 2 comma 2. What is Q coordinate here? 0 comma 5. So this one x1 y1, this one x2 y2. Again here coordinates of P. Okay, coordinates of P is nothing but formula is using a midpoint formula here, minus 2 plus 0 by 2 comma 2 plus 5 divided by 2. So your answer is minus 1 7 by 2. So P coordinate is nothing but minus 1 7 by 2. Now similarly we have to calculate your R coordinate. So you know that here R is the midpoint of QB. Okay. So what is Q coordinates? 0 comma 5 and B coordinates is 2 comma 8. So coordinates of R is equal to, using midpoint formula, 0 plus 2 divided by 2 comma 5 plus 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 1 comma 13 by 2. So write your answers together here. This one Q coordinate we have calculated 0 comma 5 and R coordinates, P coordinate we have calculated minus 1 comma 7 by 2 and R coordinates 1 comma 13 by 2. This is only your results. Okay, thank you.